Hello guys, I'm going to show you in this video my digital alarm clock. This is running right now and we're going to see at the back cover if there is a battery. Oh, there is no battery. And why this is working? I'm just kidding. I modified this alarm clock, added a one of this size battery. This is called 18650 battery. Just turn the light. Oh, see, that's the battery inside. I just put it this one of these. And also, this is now rechargeable. Just need a micro USB cable and plug in the 5-volt supply. I'm just turning off the lights. Red means it's charging. And if that light turned to blue, it means fully charged. You can use this when you're sleeping or your work, or you can set the alarm and it will wake you up. Let's test the alarm. Now I've set the alarm to 7:53 p.m. and we're just going to wait 1 minute or maybe about 30 seconds to alarm. Here, this is the alarm or the speaker of this to make sound. Let's just wait. Oh, it's starting. That's not the fully alarm. Just wait. It will beep 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 beep. Okay guys, now it's beeping.